Hi, I'm John, and welcome to OWLconnected, the Week in 60. 3D printing is seemingly able to make anything these days. But a new house? It's true. New Story is a nonprofit organization that has designed the Vulcan, a giant concrete spewing machine that is able to 3D print an entire house in under 24 hours. The organization hopes that this can help solve the crises of inadequate housing worldwide. Would you ski on an orange hill? Well, that's exactly what people have been doing recently in places like Sochi, Russia. What brought on this bizarre phenomenon? Thousands of miles away in the northern Saharan desert of Africa, huge sandstorms sent sand and dust high up into the atmosphere, where it eventually fell down as orange snow on the eastern European mountains. And meanwhile, on the other side of the world, can you feel it? That's right, baseball is back. All 30 teams got into the action, including the Toronto Blue Jays facing off against their American League East rivals, the New York Yankees. Do you have a pick for this year's champs? Don't worry, playoffs don't start until October. You got some time. But you won't have to wait that long for us to be back. We'll see you next week.